Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, we are back. This is Danny J back with Danny's Adventures for part 2 of my zoo video. So unfortunately, we were not able to access the second level or second building of the Congo Falls exhibit.
Hello everyone, and welcome aboard the CWT Express.
Here we go.
My name is Captain Gargaron
On the
East, and
San
I'll be your
Antonio
train
Zoo
engineer
train.
for this 2-mile non-stop journey through Brackenridge Park. But before we get going, let's cover some very important safety rules. Please make sure to keep all hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. If you have a little one, please make sure they're seated, either on your lap or on the seat next to you, and then they keep all hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the train as well. At no time should anyone be standing up, switching seats, or attempting to exit the train as it is in motion. And lastly, there will be absolutely no smoking or vaping aboard this train. Like we got the all clear, you know what that means. Here we go. All aboard.
Hi guys.
To your left, you'll see the entrance to the San Antonio Zoo. The San Antonio Zoo opened up in 1914, making it well over 100 years old. Also to your left, Kiddie Park. Originally opened in 1925 over on Broadway Street. Moved over to the zoo in 2019. If you're looking for a vintage experience, want to ride one of the oldest carousels in the U.S., or looking to book a birthday party for your little one, Kiddie Park is the place for you. Make sure to check out kiddiepark.com for more information.
Let's see.
You'll see the zoo's education center. The education center is home to many fun and educational programs for kids up to 12 years old. They even host giant zoo sleepovers, roars, and snores. For more information, make sure to check out sazoo.org.
Here's the education center.
The headwaters for the San Antonio River started right here in Brackenridge Park. We're crossing over some of the same water that runs through our downtown Riverwalk. Please keep all hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. Thank you.
Come to this park all the time as a
The
kid.
museum opened up in 1926, is most famously known for its dinosaur exhibit.
recent years, it expanded, adding more exhibits, more artifacts, more things to see.
We want to announce to you guys that we will be making a quick stop once we get out of the tunnel. If everyone could please remain seated throughout that stop, and I'll let you guys know when we're ready to take off again. Once again, we will be making a quick stop once we get out of the tunnel. And if everyone could just please remain seated during that stop. Thank you.
That's the parking lot. We parked there. Make fun of people.
Oh yeah, that's right. And they got jealous of me.
Yeah. Yeah, she won't.
To the Breckenridge 100-foot long tunnel. Now this tunnel is known to have some critters inside, so let's make sure we scream and shout to scare them all out.
Tunnel. I think this is the train maintenance center, I think.
Seated as we will be departing shortly. Clear and ready, all aboard. If you take a look to your left, you'll see what we call the roundhouse. Not much around about it, but it is where the trains go to sleep at night, refuel, get any repairs done, and make sure they're ready for the next hard day of work. The San Antonio Zoo currently runs 2 trains, the CWT Express, which we're on currently, and the Union Pacific 210, otherwise known as our yellow train. Brackenridge Forest, donated by Mr. Brackenridge and Mrs. Emma Kohler. If you take a look around, you'll see we're completely surrounded by trees and wildlife. And while most of the park has been left natural, we do still have some hike and bike trails, picnic tables, and grills available for public use. And as a reminder to please keep all hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the train. That means no reaching for any trees, leaves, bamboos, sticks, or anything else.
You used to be able to ride horses in this park, horseback riding. I remember that.
golf course. The San Antonio Public Golf Course opened up in 1916, was home to the first 10 years of the Texas Open. If you're seated with any small children, if you could do me a favor and make sure that they are also keeping their arms, legs, heads, and feet inside the train. Thank you. Right back over the San Antonio River. Make sure to take a look down. You never know what you might see. Right, you'll see where once was the old San Antonio Polo Fields. Now owned by First Tee, opened in 2001. They've helped over 50,000 kids learn to play golf.
Oh yeah, we're golfing.
Go. Left is the Japanese Tea Garden. The Japanese Tea Garden is free to the public. Features a beautiful 50-foot waterfall, koi fish, and a tea house.
That's also the Second Garden Theater. go.
Have the chance to do so already, please make sure to find time and visit the San Antonio Zoo. If you've ever wanted to pet a kangaroo, feed a hippo, or even stay overnight in our Savannah exhibit, you can do all that and more at the San Antonio Zoo. Make sure to check out usazoo.org for more information. We're back into the depot. I'd like to thank you for joining us on this 2-mile journey through Breckenridge Park. I'd also like to remind you to remain seated with all hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the train till it's safe to exit. Once again, we do thank you for joining us and hope to see you again real soon. But in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Oh, my car.
Very
Oh, yeah.
As we do pull into the depot, I do have to park a little bit closer than I was parked when you guys entered the train. So kindly ask that you exit to the back of the train. Once again, we kindly ask that you exit to the back of the train once we are parked and you are given the all clear to exit.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost at the station. That concludes this video for today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please share and like this video and click subscribe there for more great content. Thank you all very much, and you all have a blessed day. Thank you for tuning in.